Now I'm gonna check and see if the service mode is disabled so that I can operate through ME4U app. Let's see if that's gonna blink and horn. Are you going to work, brother? No. Remote operation is not feasible while service mode is enabled. Okay, so I figured it out. Thanks. Go to my vehicle, under service, disable this option and go back. Right, so that should do it. That should fix your commands from your ME4U app. So let's go ahead and test it and see if that's gonna work now. Okay, I'm in ME4U app. Now I'm gonna push. Okay, so the vehicle has to be turned off. I'm connected, it shows right on top. Now I'm gonna click on blink. Yeah, that works. Okay, it actually stopped after say 10 to 20 seconds. The blink and horn stopped automatically. You don't have to really do anything about it. Okay, so the blink and horn is basically for the people who are standing close to your car. If you want to alert them and ask them to move away from the car, that's the option you'll have to try. Right, so yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You guys are not subscribing. Thank you.